Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make an ICAS purchase for your school. We'll walk through the process from logging into the ICAS registration page through to completing payment. So let's get started. You will need your 8-digit school code and password to begin. If you're not sure of your login details, please contact your assessment consultant or our friendly customer service team for assistance. Firstly, head to our ICAS website, which is icasassessments.com. On the top right corner, select the Enter ICAS 2026 button. To begin, select My School and log in using your school's 8-digit school code and password. Please note that your password is always in uppercase letters. Once you've logged in, click on the ICAS tile By Test. Then select Start School Purchase to begin creating your order. Simply place your student numbers in the box on the right-hand side of each subject and year level you wish to purchase. Once you have made your choices, they will be highlighted in green. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Add to Cart. A small pop-up will appear on your screen. Keep shopping or proceed to cart. Let's proceed to cart. You will now see a summary of your order. Take a moment to confirm that the subjects, the year levels, and the quantities are correct. If any changes are required, you can return to the previous screen and update your selections. When you're happy with your order, proceed to checkout. Review your school's billing details are correct at the top of the page. The invoice receipt will be emailed to the admin email on record. Select your preferred payment method. Schools can pay by EFT or credit card depending on their requirements. Please enter your name and email in case we need to contact you about the purchase. If your school requires a purchase order number, you can fill in this field, but it's not mandatory. Follow the prompts through to complete the payment process. Once your order confirmation is displayed on the screen, your purchase is complete. A confirmation email will be sent to the school's nominated contact email address. And you can also review your order details within the ICAS shop. So what's next? After purchasing your ICAS test, you'll be able to access the assessment portal to import your students, allocate licenses, and prepare for testing. If you need any assistance at any stage, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your school throughout ICAS 2026. Good luck, and please reach out if you need any assistance.